Welcome to WiseM. Today we're diving into a hot topic. How do billionaires manage to pay $0 in taxes? Let's break down the strategies that leave the rest of us feeling like the system is rigged. There's a widespread belief that the wealthy aren't paying their fair share of taxes, while middle and lower income families carry the burden. But is this perception true? Or are there legal tactics at play? One of the key strategies billionaires use is tax deductions. Charitable donations, business expenses, and other write-offs add up to significant savings. These deductions are perfectly legal and are widely used to reduce taxable income. Then there are offshore accounts. Billionaires park their wealth in foreign banks in tax haven countries, far away from the eyes of tax authorities. While it sounds shady, it's actually legal. Next, we have the capital gains tax. Billionaires often make their money through investments, and capital gains are taxed at a much lower rate than regular income, allowing them to keep more of their wealth. Another common tactic is the use of shell companies and trusts. These legal entities are set up to hold wealth and investments. For example, a billionaire might use a shell company in a tax haven to avoid taxes on their earnings. Then there's transfer pricing, where companies shift profits between different countries to benefit from lower tax rates. Essentially, they move profits to where the taxes are the lowest, which can save billions. It's estimated that governments lose massive amounts of tax revenue due to this. These strategies have huge implications for the economy. With the wealthy paying less in taxes, the burden often shifts to the middle and lower classes. This raises a serious question. Is the tax system fair? So while these tactics are legal, they challenge our sense of fairness. Thanks for joining me on WiseM, where we explore important questions like this to help you understand the world around you. Don't forget to subscribe for more general knowledge videos. See you in the next one.